Hello and welcome back. How is everybody? And if you remember, if you don't subscribe, I'm telling your mother. I've just found out a great thing for hair loss. If you keep your head out of frame, looks like you got a full head of hair. This is part 2 of the first video you just seen, or may have not seen, so you need to go and watch it if you know what I mean. I'm getting confused now. Anyway, this is part 2 because the first lot was 18 minutes long and I had to cut it in half. Do you remember these? I got these, maybe a couple car boot sales ago. The ding dong blades, and we all had a good laugh about it. Well, I actually found, I knew I had this somewhere in the garage, I just couldn't find it. I've actually got the original ding dong junior hacksaw to go with the blades. So I'm going to fit one of the original blades in there, and that will now be special occasions only, or very special hacksawing. What a rarity to find both. Maybe the only one there is in existence. Right, let's get on with part 2. So, I've got way too much stuff in here. Seeing that it's nearly Halloween, I thought I'd dig out the Frankenstein battery charger. This has been on a few other videos, but not been that popular, which is a shame. I do like this, because when you switch it on, all the lights in the street go dim. Hats off to the guy who made this, he's a genius. I'd like to have met him. Right. Come on. I know you work. Come on. Like me, doesn't like working. This pin is troubling me, and it seems to be 12 volts, but what kind of vehicle is it off? Is it military? Very strange. It's not like I'm going to go into a cigarette lighter, is it? Right, let's connect her up, see what happens. Yep. I do believe it's working. Happy days. Well, I am surprised. An old bulb like that, and it's a good size. It's quite delicate. It'd be a shame to break it. I may get an LED to replace it. It would be a shame. It's a real survivor. And I wonder what size bulb that is and what it's come off. It's bright. Hold on a minute. Oh, that's better. I'll put that down now. Seems to work on the third click. Must remember that. Let's turn up the juice. Yeah, she's getting brighter. This is where you get a permanent tan. Oh, well, that is bright. That's really good, that. It's a good bulb, that. That'll get you out of trouble if you're under a car. Definitely. That's a very good find. It's £3. Yeah, I'm happy with that. I may put a different end on it than a cigarette lighter end, because obviously at the moment It's no good. Right, let's move on to the final part of the video. The half. That's right, half an anvil. Oh dear.
25. I'll test it for you. 25 kilo, will it?
Well, one of them was cold, the other one was...
And there you go. I wasn't faking it. There really was an anvil at the car boot sale. Very rare. You don't see them very often, especially only half an anvil. That's even rarer. The guy wanted £35 for it, and I said 30, and he said no. So I hovered around, and he went down to 33, and I didn't bite. I kept on looking in a box of crap. Next minute, he sold it to me for £30, which I thought was a reasonable price. If you want one off eBay, they're about £90 to £100, plus you've got to drive miles and miles to get it. So I thought, why not? So here it is. Yes, and it really was that heavy. And I had a long walk, and I nearly passed out and had a stroke by the time I got back to the van. So let's have a look at the car boot sale, half an anvil. Yeah, she's a beauty. So the question I started asking myself after I bought it was, Chris, what have you done? And as you can see, there's a big portion missing off the back. Oh dear, it must have snapped off where the hard heel was. That's the first problem. As you can see, it's very gnarly. Seen a lot of action, and it does get worse. Somebody snapped both feet off. Oh dear. So, does everybody think it was worth £30? Or we made a massive mistake? So there you go, that is car boot sale, half an anvil. That's something you don't see every day. So thanks for viewing, and come back again. Oh dear Chris, what have you bought?